November 1st, 1916. My brother's on the run, and I want to help him. So I'll be back soon, but don't tell anyone. This bridge gives me the creeps. It's at the far end of the fortress, and it won't be easy to walk over. But we must cross it, because it is the only way to get to that hellish necromancer.
Good God! I thought you were dead like everyone else.
Oh, maybe you were right. I think I've been buried alive.
An American corpse? Eh?
How long have I been out?
Do I look like a bloody cuckoo clock?
Hey, are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. But you look terrible. Here, this should fix you up. It's been a bit, with all the screams and banging outside. Hey, but look, I've managed to unjam this bloody rifle. Maybe we can get out of this alive.
Okay, but be careful with that thing. So, where are the rest of our men?
Are you insane? We are the rest. We're the lost, the forgotten. The entire 3rd Battalion is dead. Krauts took no prisoners. Everyone outside got a bullet in the brain or swallowed a lungful of gas. Thank God I was able to jam this door tight enough to keep the poor bastard out. Knocking and kicking, but you're not coming in. Nobody's home.
Wait a minute. Are you trying to tell me that the Germans couldn't break their way in here?
What Germans? If the Krauts had any idea someone was in here, they'd just put a cannon to our backsides and blast us back to Blighty. No, those buggers were back in our own trenches when all this happened.
So, if it wasn't the Germans, who was trying to get in here?
The whole goddamn 4th Battalion running away from the gas! No chance.
That's my division. Those were my friends, soldier.
It's a British army, I think you'll find.
And you didn't let them in. Just saved yourself.
If I'd opened the door, those sorry bastards wouldn't be the only ones lying dead right now.
How the hell are you gonna live with yourself? For the rest of your life, you'll wake up with their screams in your ears.
Do you think I give a damn about that? Keep back! I will use this. It's war, and they died. If I'd have opened the door, the Germans and the gas would have followed them straight through. Understand? We wouldn't be having this conversation. No, I'm going to get through this, don't you worry. Look, I got some papers from a dead German officer. I know their patrol routes, their passwords, their secret weapons locations. I even know the name of his bloody maid, Helga. Look how fat she is. I'm going to wait until dark and get myself out of here unnoticed. Perhaps I'll take you with me, if I let you live.
Okay, here's the deal. You can keep Helga, but I'll take those papers.
I don't take orders from anyone.
No, you're a great leader of men. You shoot that thing and the whole Bavarian army will be here in seconds.
Okay, you're right. We should do this thing quietly.
It's unbelievable. First hand-to-hand fight of the war and a madman who's on my side. Oh, this whole place smells like a slaughterhouse. I'm not waiting for night to get the hell out of here.
November 2nd, 1916. I've made a map in the hope that someone will find it.
An armory somewhere in the German trench. May be useful later. You got what I need. Damn, an ambush! Gotta get away from this gas. My only way out? Straight into the lion's mouth. Consider your sins forgiven. Guess there's no choice. You should count yourself lucky though, boy. No one else is leaving this room. shot, but I'm still standing. Better take a side street. I can just stay alive. Get through that damn gas over no man's land, back to the British lines. You at the gas division, buddy? I got a message from the dead.
This is not my fault! I'm only following orders!
I bet you are. So what's going on here?
There were things in there, terrible things. I don't even know what to call them. But we had to stop them getting to us somehow. We put up a barricade and then last night some traitor tried to blow it up. But I shut him down.
You start making sense now.
I'm telling you, they came out of nowhere, from out of the ground. They took people. We never saw them again. So we're blocking sectors off, keeping them back. They may even be in this hospital. That's why I was ordered to spray everything. Nobody goes in or out.
Sweet Jesus, what the hell are you talking about? You swallowed too much of your own gas, pal. Alright, here's what's gonna happen. You give me your mask and I'll go in there myself.
I have my orders.
You have your orders now. That's a good boy.
Another step, and I'll shoot!
All I need is the mask. I gotta get through that barrier. It's the only way out of this hellhole. The detonator must be in there. Always hated goddamn hospitals.
Does anyone know what happened to Adelbert? Does anyone know what happened to Adelbert? No, he took a page from the song, and that's the last word of it. We miss his kindness. He was one of the best, singing along to his guitar every night. And now, it's if anyone ever reads this.
Right now, coming through!
Looks like he's crawling. Almost there. Boys, we have a problem here.
That is what we want. Strong. Yes, he could lead them. He could change it all. But first, he must defeat the traitor. The traitor has been playing God for too long now. All for himself, all for his own power. But this one can change that. He can deal with the traitor once and for all. And then, when he becomes one with us, then we will rule them. On the surface, in the sight,
Holy mother of God! What the hell is happening?
Enough of this!
You're on an express train to hell! Electricity? What's that for? Keep something out? Or to keep something in?
Jetzt gibt's keine... You will die!
Maybe they're right. Perhaps it should stay closed. What do I know? Take that, freak! I see you're having a busy day, too. Nice. Let there be... You want to take on? Do me a favor and die, will you? What are you, bulletproof? Bastard! That's got him. Well, all right. I can use this. What the hell was that? Oh my God. The Walking Dead. They're for real. Jeez. Where are you ugly bastards coming from? That was tough. This can really change people. Or have I started to hallucinate? Wait a minute. Has this war created these things, or am I just... Are they just in my head? Or have I got a fight on my hands? Guess they saw me coming. day already. Don't make it any worse. Not pretty, not smart. Me?
Consider yourself purified.
I don't know what's going on here, but I'm sure gonna find out. Essential. I guess not. You don't give me a choice. How could he have survived here?
Leave him. We may need this one later.
Are you talking to me? You want a piece of me? On the ground, in the air, where's a man supposed to hide? Sleep well. Bullets can't get through that shield. Gonna have to get close to take him down. Yeah. Nice meeting you too. What else is out there? What was that all about?
For saying God's name in this place, you cannot do that. It's blasphemy.
Oh yeah? Why not?
Because only we have the right. We're his warriors in this struggle. We shall stop the darkness.
If God's with you, then who are you fighting against?
Shut up and move, and don't play.
The Great War started many years ago. Nobody seems to remember what caused it. Nobody seems to care anymore. Every day might be your last. A daily horror. A never-ending madness that surrounds you from all sides. All that matters now is to live as long as you can. And don't get yourself killed. First priority is simple. Kill as many enemies as you can. What the hell? Not just typhoid you got here then. Surrender or die! What are they? Indestructible? Have a piece of this! I have to get out of here. There's something terrible going on. Germans must have some sort of disease. Or something even worse.